everyone. This is Gaston Limo. This is our first session to start with this series of S/4HANA QM configuration. Okay. For the configuration, we go first to quality management. Then we go to basic settings. And then we're going to run this setting up clients option. Okay. This is the first step we need to do. This is kind of a mix between master data and a few configuration. The system will copy from an internal template that SAP has, and it will copy over this client, the client we're running this, okay? This is client specific, so we will need to do the same in the different clients and different systems, okay? Or we can use the copy client tools, okay? ECC, for example, 8 and 7 to export it to create the transport request and then import those transport requests into the other system. But that will depend on, let's say, the project itself, okay? The simple way is to run this in every system. So basically we'll need to help on that, okay, to be able to run this from the security perspective. Okay, so let me show you. Basically, it's just double clicking on the different steps, go over all the steps because you want all this to be available in the system, okay? So this will save us a lot of time, okay? So the first one is the transfer all standard settings. We'll double click. It says, do you want to copy the customizing settings to your client? Yes. So this process will save quite a lot of time, I would say, okay? Because we will have almost everything pre-configured. We just need to do some changes or additions, right? And if we need to. Let me run this next one. All of them will take a few seconds, I would say. Tolerance key now. Enter in this case. Yes. Sample schemes. You know, there are certain norms, and we have some simple scheme based on norms. Of course, we can create new ones and or do changes, doing a copy of the original one, etc. Right, as usual. This is standard setting for the quality inspection. This is for quality certificates. It looks like I didn't click. Yeah. Okay, and settings for the quality notifications. A lot of pre-configured options. Standard QM basic settings and environment settings. Texts already defined, different languages. Forms. We have a lot of reports in different languages as well. Certificate, for example, reminder, etc. So they are all predefined there. Okay, number ranges as well. So we're saving time. We don't need to worry about number ranges. Okay, for QM. If we want, of course, we can do changes, do additional ones, etc. But no need to do it in the standard system. Okay, excellent. So we have covered everything. As you see here, there is no transport request, right, generated. It's because what I was saying, okay? It's directly a copy in the same system, let's say, the same client in this case. So basically, if we want to copy to another client, or we run again in the other client, okay, or we run the the SCC1, for example, or the 8 and 7 to do this, to export to another system, not client, system, okay? Okay, excellent. So thanks for watching. We covered the first step, and we're looking forward to continue with the basic settings in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.